The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Check this out. We are going down as predicted, as expected. This isn't any kind of abnormal move to the downside. It's a small correction to the downside. We're gonna see how this actually plays out. But you can see here on the 4-hourly time frame that this is a 10 moving average, this is a 20 moving average, and we fell through 10 and 20 moving average on 4-hourly. Now that's not that big of a deal, a little bit, the fact that, the 20 moving average has been supporting us to the upside 2 times here, down here as well, and we've been climbing the 10 moving average. Right now we're falling through that support. That means that right now this move to the upside kinda is exhausted. We can continue the move to the upside again. If there is enough bullishness, you can continue up here. To continue right now, you gotta get above this moving average. That's the thing, you gotta get above the moving average. So if you see the move to the upside getting rejected up here and continue going down, like over here we went down. Let me zoom in a little bit more over here. We went down here, then we tried to get it back above the 20 moving average. Could not do that, it got rejected. Right now, trying again. So I think right now the most probable outcome is 1.03 down here. I think 1.03 down here, that's the most probable outcome. The 50 moving average is 1.0 or 1.03. That's the most probable outcome to go all the way down there before we actually see if the support is gonna hold and we're gonna bounce or not. You have to understand that supports, we know where the supports are, but we don't know if the supports are gonna hold. So what we are looking at technical analysis for is when the price goes down, when it comes to these levels, we are looking if the support is holding. That means we are looking for some kind of bounce, we are looking for tests on the support and so forth, and based on that we see whether the support is gonna hold or not, right? But so that means that support can hold, price goes up, support fails, price goes down, right? So it can happen both of these things, but we don't know the probability right now for whether it's gonna hold or not. Now we got 2 levels on the downside, like we said yesterday, 103 and 0.94. Both of these levels are pretty legit. We're gonna see which of these levels are gonna hold and give us support. If none of those gives us support, you can bet your sweet monkey buttocks that we might be looking at some kind of crazy levels on the downside. That said, I'm not bearish in the long term right now. I'm just I'm thinking this is just small correction before we actually bounce up from over here. But we will know eventually when we get to the 50 moving average, when we get to the 1.03 line and so forth. Because right now we are not there. We are close, but we are not there. So it's really hard to right now to say what's gonna happen. Let's see some kind of indicators down here. This is the 4-hour. This is daily. The daily MACD. The momentum is rising with the price, so that's actually a good thing. That's a good thing. The RSI was oversold. That's the problem. The RSI on the daily was oversold. We are some kind of 84 levels. Right now we are down 74, but I'm hoping by the time we get to 1.03, this RSI will be some kind of 60 levels all the way down here. That's what I'm hoping for, because if you get down to the 60 levels down here with the move to the 1.3 or 1.09, and hopefully at 1.03, that might be low enough to continue creating higher highs and so forth. So that might be a very good thing. So the move to the downside that's happening right now, it's pretty it's needed to reset some kind of indicators and to give us another push to upside, because you see already right now that people are becoming a little bit more bearish. There are people are no longer FOMOing in, because up here everybody was FOMO, and right now when we are at the very top, people are like, there is not enough money coming in, we gotta go a little bit back. So we gotta go a little bit back. Some people got to sell up here, and then it can start going up again, and then these people up here will start FOMOing in back at wrong time again, and then it will go a little bit down. That's why the price does this on the way up and not like straight line to the moon, right? That's the reason. So the move to downside expected, looking for that. Gonna be looking for this 1.03 line. If the 03 line, gonna be looking for the 0.94 line, but which of these actual lines will actually give us support, it's kind of hard to tell. Either way, optimistic about the future, optimistic about Bitcoin, looking bullish. Everything is looking nice, but correction is right now on the table, not just for XRP but for everything across the table. Everything is right now in for a small correction to the downside. the correction on the downside is gonna be big deciding factor whether this is gonna go to the moon or not. That said, thanks for supporting me on Patreon. Thanks for supporting me by subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button on the way out, and come back tomorrow to see what's happening with XRP. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.